like sugar on my tongue, tongue, tongue. Your body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. Invite me if you come, come, come. Honey drips slow from the moon's despair. A taste so sweet, it bends the light.
Sugar on my tongue, burning bright. The carnival's gone, but the cotton sticks. The fingers like promises, thin but thick. The baker's daughter with flour in her hair leaves traces of sweetness everywhere.
Oh, sugar on my tongue, like a stolen kiss, melting too fast, dissolving like mist. Every grain of memory, every drop of light.
Every grain of memory, every drop of light. But I'll lick the bowl till the well runs dry. The jukebox hums a bittersweet tune, maple syrup slow